Hello, this video is part of the geometry series where you are able to learn geometry in a more logical way. We are discussing questions of different CSIR net exam question papers on geometry and understanding that in a more logical way. So for the new people, this is the bio of me and this is how you can be part of my WhatsApp group and Telegram group. And this is the Unacademy profile where you can follow and attend all my free classes. And this is the book you can purchase for CSIR Net Part A section, the latest 7th edition. So this is a question we are discussing in this lecture. CSIR Net November 2020 problem. If points E, F, G and H bisects the side of the rectangle ABCD as shown in the figure, what is the ratio of the area of quadrilateral EFGH and the rectangle ABCD? So this EFGH quadrilateral is occupying how much space of the full rectangle? That is a question. So normally the common tendency for students to do this question is let this be length, let this be breadth. So this will be length, this will be breadth. Use the formula half diagonal 1 into diagonal 2, find that area, then length into breadth area, find the ratio. But that is time consuming. You can save at least 20 to 30 seconds if you are logically looking at this picture and saying the answer directly. You can say the answer directly if you are dividing this rectangle into 4 small rectangles. Mentally you can think so. And in each rectangle, the quadrilateral occupying region will be half of the rectangle. Now, first rectangle also that is correct. In the second rectangle also that is correct. Third rectangle also that is correct. Fourth rectangle also that is correct. So if you combine them, all the 4 rectangles together will make the full rectangle. In that rectangle also we can say the quadrilateral occupying region will be half of the rectangle occupying region. This region will be half of the full rectangle. That means 1 out of 2 will be the ratio. Quadrilateral divided by full rectangle. So 1:2 is the answer. As I told, you can do mathematically also, but this intuitive way of looking at this question will help you to save some seconds, and every second is very important in net exam or any competitive exam. Hope this is clear to all of you. So these kinds of more logical questions you can find in this YouTube channel, and if you want to learn more elaborately these kinds of questions, this is the upcoming course in Unacademy Plus platform, complete course on CSIR Net General Aptitude. More details are given here, and this is for all science stream students. 50 lectures of 1.5 hours each, and the complete syllabus of CSIR Net Part A will be covered. This is how you can be part of this course and all other courses in Unacademy platform. And these are the packages available, and once you apply the referral code CC10, this will be the discounted pricing. And remember, by this subscription you are not only able to attend my courses, you can access all the courses of all the subject educators and general aptitude courses at the same time. So hope this video was useful for you. Thank you all.